Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss scalar triple product. Okay. So what is scalar triple product? This is not in syllabus, but I am just teach you scalar triple product. Let A, B and C are three non-zero vectors. These are three non-zero vectors then scalar triple product is denoted by vector A, B, C. There is no comma actually, okay? Only simply A, B, C or A, B, C, okay? And is defined as A, B, C. This is equals to A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C. That means you have to take dot product with the dot product of B cross C with A. Okay. So suppose write down first thoughts. If A is equals to vector A is equals to A1 I cap, A2 j cap, A3 k cap, okay? B, vector B is B1 I cap, B2 j cap plus B3 k cap, and C is C1 I cap plus C2 j cap plus C3 k cap. Clear? These are the vector A, B and C. Then what is the value of A dot B cross C? You know how to find B cross C. You already know in class 11th, maybe in physics also. Okay, B cross C, that means I cap, J cap, K cap, and then coefficients of B and C in the matrix, and you solve this, you will get the answer. Okay. Similarly, if you want to find A dot B cross C, this is simply determinant of coefficient of A, B and C. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 and C1, C2, C3. If you solve this particular determinant, you will get the value of A dot B cross C. Clear? Okay. So note it down. Next result is ABC or BCA or CAB. They all are equal. Clear? Either A dot B cross C or B dot C cross A or C dot A cross B. These all are equal. Clear? Next one is if you change any one in this, suppose A, B, C, okay? Then this is minus of A, C, B. See the order? A, B, C, this is A, C, B, that's why minus of A, C, B. Only B and C can change, okay? Or if you change again C, A, B, then this C, A, B, this positive, okay? Why? Because these are in determinant. So if you change a row or column, then determinants are, sign of determinant is changed. That's why A, C, B, or by cross product you see, B cross C is equal to minus of C cross B. So that means what? C cross B, and that means B cross C. A dot B cross C, this is A dot C cross B. So because of changing B cross C into C cross B, the sign of this particular scalar product is changed. Okay. Now next one, if any one of them is same like this, AAB B. Okay, this is 0. A, B, C, B, C, A. If any two of them is equal, like A, B, 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 A, C, this is the value of this particular scalar product is 0. Clear? Note it down. Coplanarity of three vectors. Coplanarity of three vectors. Okay? If A, B and C are any three vectors, then they are said to be coplanar if A dot B cross C must be equal to 0. Okay, that means if you write in the terms of coefficient, then determinant of that A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 must be equal to 0. Clear? And now see one more thing here. Coplanarity of 4 points. Coplanarity of 4 points. 4 points. Okay? Actually, if you have given 4 points, suppose A, B, C, D, then this is nothing but position vectors of A, B, C and D. That means what? A, B, C and D. This is what? This is nothing but OA, OB, OC and OD. These are 4 points. Then how to show they are coplanar? Clear? How to show they are coplanar? So you must find 3 vectors AB, AC and AD. And you know how to find AB. AB is OB minus OA. Now, vector AB is what? Position vector of B minus position vector of A. AB, AC and AD. Then these are what? 3 vectors now. And they are coplanar only if AC dot AD, AB dot AC cross AD. तो ये 3 वेक्टर्स कोप्लानर कब होंगे? जब ये 0. क्लियर? मतलब 3 वेक्टर्स हैं तो ठीक है, A डॉट B क्रॉस C 0 होगा तो कोप्लानर. बट 4 पॉइंट्स आर कोप्लानर. दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट अ वेक्टर, ना, AB BC. दिस इज नॉट अ वेक्टर AB BC CD. दिस इज व्हाट? Only OA, OB, OC and OD. So first you find AB, AC and AD and then show AB dot AC cross AD. If it is 0, then you can say the vector is coplanar. Clear? These 4 points are coplanar. Clear? Note down. Right question. Find A dot B cross C. This is a very easy question. Find A dot B cross C if A is equals to 2 I cap j cap plus 3 k cap. 2 I cap plus j cap plus 3 k cap. B is equals to minus I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap. I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap. And C is equals to 3 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. 3 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. Clear? So how to find A dot B cross C? This is a very simple. A dot B cross C. This is nothing but simply 2 1 3 minus 1 2 1 and 3 1 2. What you can do? You simply expand this determinant and you will get the value of A dot B cross C. Understood? So note it down. Next one is show that the vectors A is equals to so that the vectors A is equals to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, B is equals to 2I cap, B is equals to 2I cap, sorry, minus 2I cap plus 3j cap, minus 2I cap plus 3j cap, minus 2I cap plus 3j cap, minus 4k cap, and C is equals to I cap, and C is equals to I cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap are coplanar. You have to show these vectors are coplanar. So what you show? Simply, since A, B, C are A, B and C are coplanar, then this determinant A dot B cross C must be equal to 0. So C A dot B cross C, and this is nothing but A dot B cross C, this is nothing but minus 1, 2, 3, and 1 minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 1 minus 3 and 5. Solve this determinant, and if it is 0, then you can say these given these three vectors are कोप्लानर. क्लियर? अब इसकी वैल्यू क्या आ जानी चाहिए? 0. अगर 0 आ जाती है तो ये वेक्टर्स कोप्लानर है, अदरवाइज नहीं. क्लियर? समटाइम्स क्वेश्चन इज चेंज. सपोज A is equal to this, B is equal to this, C is equal to suppose here X or Y, है ना? One unknown quantity is there, and it is given that these three vectors are coplanar. Then find the value of X. तो आप इसमें एक कोफिशिएंट X आ जाएगा कोई ना कोई, और इसको आप 0 के इक्वल करेंगे, डिटरमिनेंट सॉल्व करेंगे, वहां से X की वैल्यू आपको मिल जाएगी. क्लियर है? So note it down. Find the lambda. Find lambda if the vectors. Find lambda if the vectors. Find lambda if the vectors. Find lambda if the vectors A is equals to I cap plus 3j cap, 3j cap, I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. B is equals to 2 minus 1 minus 1, that means 2I cap minus j cap minus k cap. Okay, and C is equals to lambda I cap plus 7j cap, 7j cap plus 3k cap are coplanar. The same question. Okay, so solution: if A, vector B and vector C are coplanar, then A dot B cross C must be equal to 0. That means determinant of 1, 3, 1, 2 minus 1 minus 1, lambda 7, 3. This must be equal to. So solve this determinant and this must be equal to 0. You will get the value of lambda. You know this how to solve? Okay. So solve this also. Thank you.